Andrews Kwame Pianim is a celebrated Ghanaian business economist and investment consultant. After 10 years as a political prisoner, he made a 1996 bid to run for the presidency of Ghana. Switching gears, he found success as a businessman in Accra. Kwame Pianim attended Accra School for his secondary education. He holds a BA double honors in economics and political science from the University of New Brunswick, Canada, 1963, and MA in economics from Yale University, 1964, USA. He was married to a Dutch woman named Cornelia Pianim. Their youngest son Elkin Kwesi Pianim, born 1970, a Vassar College-trained corporate financier, married global media magnate Elizabeth Murdoch. Kwame Pianim has two grandchildren in common with Rupert Murdoch, namely Cornelia and Anna Pianim. He was arrested with a group of soldiers including Sergeant Akadapor on November 23, 1982 following the capture of part of Gondar Barracks, Burma camp in an apparent abortive coup attempt. His attempts to contest the 1996 presidential elections on the ticket of the center-right New Patriotic Party were scuppered when the Supreme Court ruled to uphold a controversial law preventing individuals convicted of treasonous acts from holding public office, even if such acts were committed during periods of unconstitutional rule. Following the court's decision, he resigned from politics to focus on private activities within the realm of development economics. As an economist, his philosophy is multidimensional, but a consistent theme has been the essential incompatibility between the economic agenda of poor nations, or what ought to be their economic agenda, and the priorities of the Bretton Woods system. He served as an economic research officer at the United Nations, New York, 1964 to 1970, and was acting principal secretary, Ministry of Finance and Economic Planning of Ghana, 1970 to 1972. He later served as deputy managing director, Ghana Aluminium Products Limited, TIMA, and as the CEO of New World Investments, now New World Renaissance Securities, a brokerage and investment banking house. He is a former chief executive of Ghana Cocobod. He was once the chairman of the Public Utility Regulation Council, PURC, of Ghana, a high-level commission tasked with the responsibility of overseeing and regulating electricity and water utilities. He, however, resigned in December 2007 as a result of differences with the then-ruling NPP government of John Akufo-Addo. He is the president of Old Accommodants Association. Kwame Pianim is chairman of the board of directors of United Bank for Africa, UBA, Ghana Limited, Airtel Communications, Ghana, Bayport Financial Services, Ghana, and Ghana International School, Ghana's premier multicultural and multinational pre-university education institution. References